In this video, you are about to learn how to import Etsy and Zero1 Supply products to Shopify. Indeed, there are two ways of getting new products for your store with Zero1 Supply. Let's start with the first way, our marketplace. Once you are registered and once your Shopify store is connected, go to the supplier menu and click on the marketplace menu. From there you will see two tabs. The left one is the thematics and the right one is all products. This is for sorting purposes. So for example, if you are looking for medieval products, you can directly click on the medieval thematic to sort all Zero1 Supply products. In that case, I am going to demonstrate the process with all products. From there, you can see the list of all products with their origin and pricing. Let's say I want to import this dragon statue. All I have to do is click the Add to Import List button. I can also click on the product to get more details like his description, the monthly volume allowed, and the shipping methods, for example. From there, I can directly click the Import button on the product page. Once I added products to my import list that I am satisfied with, I can go to the Import List menu. As you can see here, all my products are listed. I can now select the products I want to push to my Shopify store and click the Push button. And there you have it. The products are now in your Shopify inventory. You can also find them in the Zero1 Supply inventory, so you can keep track of them. Now imagine that you don't find a product that fits your needs. You can use our sourcing feature to send us a request, and we will add the product or supplier you want to our marketplace. We will talk about this sourcing feature in another video. With Zero1 Supply, there is a second way of importing products to your Shopify store. You can indeed use Etsy products. In order to do that, you must install our browser extension. The link will be in the description. Once the browser extension is added, make sure that your Zero1 Supply account is connected. Then go on Etsy and choose a product that you want to import. Once you are on the product page, click the Zero1 Supply Import button. And there you have it. The item has been pushed to your import list on Zero1 Supply. And the rest of the process is exactly the same as before. This video is now over. You learned how to import products from Etsy or Zero1 Supply and push them to your Shopify inventory. Be sure to check our tutorial video for sourcing. Have a nice day and a lot of success in your business.